Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know there's so many methods out there that we use to reduce or remove resin bubbles, which I've personally tried. But in today's video, I'm going to do something different. Know that before I start mixing, I'm not going to give my resin a cold water bath or a warm water bath or use my heat gun to heat up my resin. I'm just going to start mixing my resin right away. So what I'm basically going to do is that I'm going to make sure that my mixing stick stays down in the mixture, and I'm going to try as much as I can not to raise my resin stick up all through the mixing time, and I will mix my resin for at least 3 minutes. So for me to scrape the side of the cup properly, I will only rotate the cup just like this because I want to avoid raising up my mixing stick as much as possible. Right now, I've been mixing this for like 2 minutes now, and you can see the results. And you notice that no other bubbles are being introduced into the mixture because I'm trying as much as possible to keep my mixing stick down in the mixture and not raising it up, while I also scrape the side and the bottom of the cup into the mixture by just rotating the cup and not raising my mixing stick either up or down. Now it's been 3 minutes of mixing it. We have 3 minutes now. Let me show you the result clearly so that you see the outcome. Just little bubbles, very little. So what I'm going to do right now to make sure I have clear bubbles, I'm just going to allow my resin to sit for at least 3 minutes so that all the bubbles can rise to the surface and pop. So it's been 3 minutes, you can see very clear. So I'm going to pour it right here so that you can see how clear that really is. No bubbles. I find this method very easy and useful to use. You can also try with any kind of resin you use. And don't forget to let me know how yours turned out to be in the comment section.